धन्वंतरी नमः। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र शर्मा, एक्स प्रिंसिपल केशव आयुर्वेद मेडिकल कॉलेज अकलेरा, झालावाड़, राजस्थान. Today we are celebrating the Charak Jayanti. The Maharshi Charak was a great physician and he was the incarnation of the Sheshnag. So today we are also celebrating the Nag Panchami. And basically the Maharshi Charak was the father of medicine and he was written a great text, Charak Samhita, in which aforesaid material of the treatment, diseases and medicines were described. Today we pay the honor and regard for this, that at that time he make so many formulas, so many sutras for the giving the benefits to the humanity and mankind which were suffering from the diseases. He collected the material and later on systematically described and make a text which is very famous, the Charak Samhita. Previously, his guru, his teacher was, the prime teacher was the Agnivesh, but also Punarvasu Athreya. When he taken the education, he went to the Vaishampayan Rishi, and before 300 BC, he taken the birth in the Kapisthal village near Punch of the Punjab, Kashmir. And they later on he created the principle of the Ayurveda, and later on basically he written the what is the lifestyle and how may be the community healthy. So he make the principles and written in this text. As we know about the Charak Samhita, Charak Samhita is a great text which consists of the 8 sthans, 120 chapters, 12,000 sloks and 9 to 85 mantras. And in this text more than 2,000 medicines are described and also more than 1 lakh herbal plants are described. He also given the body examination and also the description of the mental diseases, physical diseases. The basic concept of the Acharya Sursur was, he was the wandering physician and he was wander hither and thither to collect the knowledge and about the herbal medicines and metallic medicines like the bhasma of the metallic material, gold, silver, copper, etc. He prepared many formulas and used these for sufferers. And the basic concept of his was, he told that a physician should be treated to the patient like his son. And later on, he described the basic principles. Basic principles was the Trayopstambha, the Ahar, Nidrayam, Brahmacharya, and Tridos, the all diseases are due to the Vat, Pitta and Kapha, and given the principles of the Samanya Vishesh, Samanyam Vrati Karanam Harase Sutra Visheshascha. Like that, the method of the treatment was Shodhan and Shaman. The Shodhan was the removal of the toxicity from the body, means the action for the cleansing action of the body, and Shaman was the pacifying the dosas, which are the Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Now, for the Sharirik Shaman, the Shodhan and Shaman therapy, and for the mental disorder, mental diseases, he given the Gyan, Dhyan, Dharma, Smriti, Samadhi, and Dharya, and mantras, the mantra, Mani Mangal Dharam. Also, he given the Ritucharya, Raticharya, Dincharya. And he also described primarily the metabolism, about the digestion, and about the immunity, and about the dosas. And he told there are the 360 bones in the body, and also he gives the about the dietary regulations, and also described about the diseases of the eye, dental disorders, digestive disorder, madhumeh, diabetes, and also the piles, means hemorrhoids, and also the mental and physical diseases. Charak told that health and diseases are not predetermined, and we can live the long by changing our lifestyle. And as per he described the Dincharya, Dine Dine Va Charya Dincharya, means the daily routine of our life, as on the early morning, Brahmane Utishtam Brahm Muhurt ke andar, in the Brahm Muhurt we should wake up before rise the sun, and like that the eye wash, face wash, manjan, anjan, there are so many regulations, and also given the Guna Siddhant. Later on, Charak Samhita, that the also as we see the incidents, avataran of our this Ayurvedic education at that time, that was from Brahma to Daksh Prajapati and Ashwini Kumar. And again that was given to the eye, that at the Vedic period, and later was the Rishi period, and Bhardwaj and Atre. Punveshu Atre again given his the pupils, and the main pupil is the Charak, who by helping the later on Drat Bal, that were also modified and written this. And there are also so many given the rules as the definition of the Ayurveda, Hitaitam Sukham Dukham Ayustasya Hitaitam, Charak Sutra 1/41, and again synonyms are given, Charak Sutra Sthan 1/42, that Nityag Paryaya Ayush Uchate. Like that, Swastasya Swasthya Rakshan, this aim was given into the Charak Sutra Sthan 30:26, and Swastasya Swasthya Rakshanam Atrusya Vikar Prashanam. And later on, he given the Three Sutra Vigyan, Three Sutram Saswatam, and this Ayurvedic science was the Saswatam. And as per how we should care our body, and he given the Sutra Sarvam Anyat परित्यजेत शरीरम अनु पालयेत तद भावे भावानाम सर्वे भाव शरीरिणाम. And later on he given the motion of the dosa, that from coast shakha marmasti, and later on also the tiryak adhay urdu vriddhi khe sthanam, also given the symptom of the karam, as a given the slok, very important, pratna adi karam cheshtitam uchyate, कि we should do work from our hand, foot, so there is the motion, moving. So that gives the result, and that was described the kar charananukul vyapar. And also for the movement, as we see the movement of the muscles, there are the movement of the various types of the muscles, that is the flexion and extension, and also the rotation, circumflexion, like that. Similar to that, there was the movement of the muscles in our body that come under the title of the karam, and that was the under the title of the pratnadi karam cheshtitam karam uchyate, and utkshepanam avkshepanam va, and utkshepanam avkshepanam va akuncham parshanam gabnam iti. That was told from the Maharishi Kanad, and also given the symptom of the dravya yatra sitra karam guna karanam samvai yattad dravyam. Ayurveda Tantra Prayojanam was given by the dhatu samya, means the balancing of the dhatu. Like that, the health was described by balancing of the dosas, vat pit kapha. If their dosas are imbalanced, then there is the disease. Also given the symptoms of the dosas, vat pit kapha, and there was the various guidelines about the dietary regulation that was given under the title of the how there is the how we should eat the food, that there is the what we should eat is important, but much more important is how we should eat. That these are the supremacy of the Charak Samhita. And later on, there was given the suppressible and no suppressible way, means the dharani and dharani, what we should contain and what we should discharge from our body. So like that, this text gives us about healthy, so this becomes the very much help for, and yam Ayurveda is Param Ayurveda that gives you the Elok and Parlok. And also there were given the three pursuits of the life, means the Praneshna, Dhaneshna and Parlokeshna. So if we follow the guidelines, then we can get the Elok and Parlok, means both we can get health and life and longevity. So this science also gives the health, longevity of life, and mainly the disease-free life, means the healthy life. So today we are also celebrating Nag Panchami. We regard for the Lord Shiva's snake Sheshnag. This is also called the incarnation of the Sheshnag avatar, and also there is a considered that this was also a incarnation of the Lord Krishna, as well as the Patanjali Yogdarshan and Vyakaranam. So all was given by the teacher who given the whole of the teaching to Acharya Charak. So all these teachings came from Agnivesh. So, for that, as father of the medicine, and for the very important text Charak Samhita, we are celebrating this today, and we pray and we pay to the regard this literate personality and this Acharya. We should follow the wisdom of words and guidelines we should spread all of the world, and mainly there should be celebrating in a wide range, and also the health guidelines of the ancient Ayurveda should be entered in the primary education curriculum. Like that, we can pay and regard the honor of this legend of the Acharya Charak. ओम जय आचार्य चरक, जय आयुर्वेद तथा